Ototoma, Eyoma, Abanoma. I want to address this. Listen very well. I am not against Ebuka Obi. I'm only against fake arranging prophecy or miracle or something, because this is why I started Njoegana Street name a miracle, to prove that name will real prophet. As there's nothing good can come out of Nazareth, because people always see Anambra prophet as fake. I want to prove it to the whole world that there's one genuine prophet from Anambra State that have real power of God. I have healed over thousands of people, saved over billions of souls from kingdom of darkness. So, quick one, God bless you. Share the telecast. I want this message to get to Ebuka Obi. I'm not fighting him. I was on my own. You know, if I'm dragging people, why am I not dragging other pastors? See, anybody I mentioned here, anybody see me, I'm a prophet from that. This is my 35 years in ministry. Go and ask questions. I see no back in ministry. Who see no ministry? TB Georgia. For the area when they came to our village, that was 1980 something. The first time you pointed me out. So evidence is there. You can go and check. Yeah, I'm from Igbo, from a lawyer family, so you can go and confirm. You will see the altar there. We first see a foundation in our father's house. It was a church. So we started Zion Spiritual Healing. It was established in 1988. They will build this church 1990. So now the problem won't be in the Igbo and Webo. As long as Aburonye like the person is fake. As long as I'm not reading rosary, it's fake. As long as I'm not from your place, it's fake. What make you believe that I'm fake? And what make you believe that the one you're going is not fake? Get it right. This is when I start calling Akwokoko. Akwokoko is from Anambra State, right? But I find out that something you will do. Many of you that brother from Imo State, you probably God will punish all of you. You like to protect your brothers from Imo State, but you like to speak against the people from Anambra State. Why? If you want to talk, go and look at Governor Zokuna. You're defending Ebuka, but you want Akuna Lotugo to be arrested. You want Akwoko to be arrested. You want Ekehi to be arrested and killed. Why wouldn't they arrest Ebuka Obi and ask you, or those native doctor in your village? Not gonna know they do all those things. Evil is evil. If you find me guilty in anything I do that is wrong, do to me what you do to Akwokoko. I'm here to prove it. Not gonna stop all those nonsense. We are all Igbos. We love Martin Nankan. You know, life Martin Nankan mother. You don't fight for Martin Nankan mother. Do I fight for you? What all those people are doing? Start doing division. Hey, it's not from Anambra State. You have to protect your own. But if it's Anambra State, they don't kill the person. If you are part of the people that do this, anybody that do evil from Anambra State, from Enugu State, from Imo State, evil is evil. We don't need evil in Igbo land. That is it. So if we want to talk any Igbo, whether it's a Christian, whether it's a Muslim, whether it's a traditional man, evil is evil. Akwa is using located to defraud our people. I saw it first. I challenged Akwokoko. Akwokoko challenged all the good pastor. All the pastor ran away. All the pastor ran away. Is it not? Show me a pastor. Anybody that can prove that is Ebuka Obi that fought Okite, 100 million naira. I'll give you a house in Lagos. Prove it. How can Ebuka Obi come out and start claiming the battle that I fought? That I always take my head. That everybody learn. Is it not evil? Is it not deceive? Is it not lie? And the Bible says, he that lie is of Satan. So I want you to be picking this point. Number one, Akwokoko challenge all the pastors in Nigeria. Nobody come out. True or false? I want you to answer me. If you can prove that Ebuka Obi is one that fought Okite, I will give the person house in Lagos. I will give you house in Lagos. I will bomb me alive. I sought to be a prophet. Because we must address this. Because this is how Ebuka Obi came in and began to chase crowd after I fought the battle finish. It didn't call my name. It was mentioning that prophet that doing spiritual work. That's who was it? It was talking to me. Trying to rubbish the battle that I fought to look like I'm fake. Listen very well. Gente. Now, if we say Sabbath is fake, what will you call Roman Catholic? Who killed Jesus? They are Romans. Who are the choosing people? They are Sabbath. Go and do research. If you prove it's the Roman Catholic people, they are the choosing one. 10 million naira. Who are the Zion? They are Sabbath. If you prove that Roman Catholic people are the Zion, 10 million naira. Who is Mary? Was he a Jew or Roman Catholic? 10 million naira. If you can prove that Mary was not a Sabbath, that is a Jew, 10 million naira. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Yeshua, is he a Jew or Sabbath? If you can prove that Jesus Christ, Yeshua, was a Roman Catholic, is not Sabbath, 10 million naira. So these are the things, criteria that will show you who is fake and who is real. So if truly Bible was given to people of the Sabbath, Mary belonged to Sabbath, Zionite belonged to Sabbath, choosing people are the Sabbath, Jesus Christ was a Sabbath, Bible was given to people of Sabbath, we are the Jews, we are the Israelites. That means everything you do elsewhere is fake. Because they cannot, you can't happy Saka. Matthias now come to Igbo land. He went to open church of Satan, calling it to Menana. That is not Igbo Menana. If you go to your village, then we'll have Udo in our place. Then we'll have other deities. I don't worship them, but that's what the community idols. There are some water does. These are spirits, small gods is existing. That's why even in the Bible we know those things. So why I'm mentioning this thing now? Ebuka Obi had full of lie and deceive and manipulation. That is why you keep on failing. Prophet is not your mate. Ebuka Obi, you're not a prophet. Prophet is not your mate. Prophecy must, any prophecy who didn't come to pass, any prophecy is from fake prophets. It's not from God. Okay, I told you people 2022 that I have destroyed your kit. Give me 2 to 3 years. Okay, we end in Anambra State. Did they end, yes or not? It end. That's one. Okay, Njaka, when he was fighting with J-Pack, and why I want to mention this is a part of your Zion. Okay, Njaka, when he was fighting with J-Pack and the Sagobola, I saw when the girl was crying. They want to bring the girl to Nigeria. I take the battle. When I fight the battle finish, I told okay, Njaka, remove yourself from this battle. I saw when those people want to bring you back to Nigeria. Go and watch the prophecy. But you people that Zion keep on talking nonsense, like Zion, they are the one that deceive, and now is Nigeria. Who is a prophet? He disobeyed the word of true prophet and believe in prophet of doom. That's why Ogechi fell today. Who is a prophet? Now, I am the prophet that told you P2B will win an election, but if Mazin Nandkar is not out, he will never see Asolok. Did P2B win? They will rig the election. Did P2B win the election? Yes. Did they enter Asolok? No. My prophecy didn't come to pass. It came to pass. That's it. Listen. Matthias say you carry protest in Anambra State. I say if you carry protest in Anambra State, no, I am not called to be a prophet. That will be your end. Go and watch the video. Why you not carry prophets? Either you end or no, but also or that is will be his end. I'm telling you, we're not joking. Listen very well. Anything I told you I will do, I will do it. Anything I say I will do, I'll do it. I am a prophet. I have 1.16. I don't threaten people. But when you come to what will destroy my people, I will never allow you to do it. I rejected billion from a occultic kingdom to save my people, especially in Igbo. I came from Igbo. So I'm a line. I was waiting for Matthias to do protest today. Come to White House. We're ready for him to carry up. I will go there, make sure that Organa Enugu State, go and do that useless prophet. Or one useless is why I first do that video. Hey, let us go to government house. Come and do your come and do the protest. You will not go to Enugu State to go and carry protest about our people dying there. You want to come and carry protest in Anambra State. No, no, yeah. You want to go and destroy Anambra State and fix your home. I not say you should not be biased, but let me tell you, it can be coming from Imo State, Abia State, hating in the Anambra. Get listening very well. I've understand. I am not a fought Ekehit, fought Onyese Jesus. They are my brothers, but I want to start to tell them what is you are doing is evil. So if Imo State trying to protect Ebuka, God will punish you. God will kill your family. Tell evil is evil. You should stop doing those Israel prophets online. He's not a prophet. I told him you're not a prophet. A prophet is not your mate. Prophet is not your mate. You have done see Padrock. That one is an allogism. That they do. This second one now, you try to call him Mbaka. How did Mbaka call? Tell us the name. If you know the men, the clergymen, God punish you, clergymen. That's why he must call the name. If you're not a prophet, you're afraid. Call the name of the people that to send them, so we can throw them up. Ebuka Obi say, you're a prophet. Like, I know what you did to me. Ebuka Obi, they hack my page. I know they hide them. If you come to court, anywhere you come, I will say what I need to say. That's why I know. If they talk my own, you know they call them because you're afraid. You're a coward. I know they call anybody name because you're a coward. You're a fool. A prophet is not afraid to call them. Any prophet who cannot call them and say straight what he says is not a prophet. You're not a prophet. A prophet is afraid to call them. I don't want to call them. Why are you not calling them? You must call the name. That's a prophet. You have a message, you give the name. I have a message that call Akwa you're doing okay, and that is killing people. I call it until night's end. The same way I tell you, because you're worshiping Satan, you're worshiping Marine Kingdom. I would say it till you stop. If you have the proof, come out. Come and prove to us how many become model of God. Let us go to Israel. Let me know that they will not jail you there. Let us travel to Israel. I will pay my own flight. Let us go there. Then you prove to us how many became model of God. If they don't jail you 2 years, you know I'm not a prophet. David Yahweh. You don't know Bible. I read Bible 7 times from beginning to end. We are not certain crowd. Bible says, "He shall know the truth, and truth shall set you free." You're welcome to Zion city of the Yahweh synagogue, the Zion of truth. What is fake is fake. You don't promote. You don't cover evil. You don't cover evil because of your useless gain. What does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? What does it profit a man? Well, stop all those things. Now, because we will give fake prophecy, people come and give the fake testimony. Somebody will from abroad spend 20 million coming down, thinking that he's coming to see Jesus. Do you know what is? Do you know the damage of what you will cause other people when they hear the girl do testimony of a house? You know all those things. You buying brog now. You're chatting. You're the one that started paying broker. You employ JPAC. You employ Ezugo. You employ Ijowa. You employ so many people. Many people of them. Many of them have sent them go abroad. All those are your bloggers that you're paying money. We know them. At least I know 202 do Canada. These are people that fight for you to defraud our people. They are not fighting for you that they love God. They are fighting for you to cover you up to defraud our people. And anybody that is involved in doing that, God will kill your family. You will die this month. People will begin to die in your family. So you know that evil, sin, lies is sin, deceive is sin. And Bible says the wages of sin is death. If you don't know the implication, begin to know it now. The wages of sin is death. If you saw truth, you don't speak it, you're covering it, you're deceiving people, you will die. Either you die under sicknesses, high blood pressure, kidney problem, heart attack, weight, HIV. These are things that will kill you. It's God say, I will inflict you with the sickness of Egypt. Why wouldn't Ebuka Obi admit? Why are you arresting the girl? Why wouldn't you admit? Okay, I make a mistake. You go inside. I told you that you're not a prophet. For the one you have done to me. See, let me tell you, I am not ordinary prophet. I am not. See, this work I'm doing is a very big task for me to do. Nobody agreed to do it. Let me agree to. So for you to come and talot, to come and be talot the God Almighty Yahweh, the work, you go suffer. You go suffer. Better in a fast, better in a crowd. If you like, go Vatican 1 million times, go enter the occult. As a confirm. Matthias have sense a lot. You know, you have been lanting when I was in Lagos. I mean, Anambra State. Come and do protest now. Kampia Matthias. You will know now. That's why you learn. I told him, try to carry protest. If government did not arrest you, I will arrest you. I am entitled to arrest you to make sure I secure my Anambra people. You people have been dying up and down, kidnapping up and down, doing all sorts of things. All those things doesn't happen in Anambra State. Anambra State is where we love people. We don't discriminate. Now I begin to see people. You're in Imo State. I do prayer for you. God bless you. Instead for you to come and do testimony or do thanksgiving or support me because I'm not from Imo State. God punish you. If you're part of people that do that, God punish you. Don't come to me again. Go to anywhere you want to go. When you come to me, did I say you're Imo State? No, I accepted you. But I find out that when I say I want to do, there's some people I made millionaires. Most of them are from Imo State, different places. Well, when I say we want to do competition, we want to do contribution. Okay, you don't want the prophet of Anambra State to pray for you, you receive blessing. You don't want to support to do what I want to do. Who told you that? Do you know that 80% of the money that comes to Ebuka Obi is from Anambra State? They want us to bet it. The 80% that come to Zion, they are the people from Anambra State. Because the Anambra State people, we don't discriminate. In case you don't feel, if Ebuka Obi says a lie, let him bring the statement. Tell us where the money come from. 90% of them, 80% of money that come to Zion came from Anambra State. In case you don't know. It's only Anambra State people that we don't have discriminate. Who can do business with anybody. Who can work on anybody. It's only Anambra State that do that. Who can do business, who don't do fraud. Other people do business with them, they want to defraud you, they want to use you. We don't do that nonsense. Because we are people of God. We are blessed. If I want now, show you, see Fofodekim everywhere. Which other state in Nigeria that has Fofodekim the way it is in Onitsha? Nobody, no anywhere. Anywhere Fofodekim. Do you know what it's called? The most powerful billionaire in Igbo land from Anambra State. I don't buy the wrong. Not be today. We'll be Akazaya, we'll be Ebuka Obi. When I do know how many years I become, I drove like Jehovah Folk 2025. 21 years ago. It's not church can deal in. What I came to church to fulfill the work of God. But that's why, you know, me, if you speak the truth, you will not get members. If I what I'm preaching, if I go and preach it in the Ebuka Obi church, everyone will disappear because people don't love the truth. They want to, hey, yeah, hi, they fuck your husband. Hi, they did this. Hi, I want to marry. This is not what you're supposed to preach. That is counseling. If you want to open marriage counseling, you got open marriage counseling. They'll come, you counsel them, not online. People have to shoot them easy. Now call yati. Love it. He will give testimony. Love it came, he confirm it. So when you saw the vet giving prophecy, so you don't know the person that you get prophecy. If you listen to my broadcast when I was living in Lagos, I told you that I saw Ebuka Obi church where everybody. See, let me tell you, let me give you that as a prophecy. For another 5 years, this your Zion of Satan use the mentor will disappear. It's not. This is what God showed me how it will happen. Why? Because God's punishment is upon Ebuka Obi for doing evil. Don't do Igbo. You're deceiving in Igbo. Number one, Jesus Christ was a black man. You're showing the white man. Mary is a black woman, a Jew. You're showing them marine woman, queen of heaven. It's what you're introducing people to. Every day, carry that stuff to put in your body. Telling us that you know God. Which God do you know? I rejected billion. Let's say a girl that died. They want to sacrifice to Mary. Not that I'm against Mary, mother of Jesus. So I'm against that Mary, that queen of heaven. Revelation 3 verse 9. Bible say, anyone that claims to be a Jew but is not a Jew, they are synagogue of Satan. Go and read your Bible. Read Jeremiah 7. You read about that Mary. He that offer incense to Queen of Heaven, have provoking God to anger. He will die with under sicknesses. Ebuka Obi no fit deliver anybody that have Queen of Heaven, marine kingdom attack. He no go fit. He can deliver small demons. That's it. Demons, small demons. Those kind of problem that is no solution, and we dey solve the problem. Matthias is not doing spirituality, he's doing physicality. What do you mean? It's not doing spirituality. Do you think hospital is physicality? Anything hospital is spiritual, that more than you think you know. Anything spiritual, hospital is spiritual, more than you think you know. Go on. No, 80% of medical doctors, they are occultist people, in case you don't know. So get sense. 80% of people die under attack in the hospital, and no hospital in the world can cure spiritual sickness. I'm here to challenge any doctor that can heal. Come out. We'll give you people that have come and do it. Let us give you people that have spiritual attack. People that when they go to hospital, they say, hey, do you know how many people have healed from abroad? From America, medical doctor, Canada, Germany, UK. What are you talking about? People that paid almost close to 5 million naira flight to come down to Nigeria. I said to that somehow. Why are you not seeing the videos there? What I'm saying is this. I'm here to make this up now. I not say you should not go to Ebuka Obi church. People go to Apologise. I not say you should not go and do juju. In my family, I'm going to decide that I'm Catholic. I'm going to Anglican. When did I get my father married for wife? I was born as an Anglican. But what I know today, I can never bow down to any deity, call Mary or call Jesus, because that is idol worship. So if you're against women and don't worship idol, you should also be against that foreign religion, because you want to follow the true God, is Sabbath. The God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob is not Sunday, it's Saturday. The commandment is there. If anybody can prove that Sunday, show me Sunday inside Bible, 1 million naira, I'll transfer it now to you. If you can show me one praise God say worship on Sunday Bible, 1 million naira, I'll send it to you. Because share the telecast. What I want to make this video now, I want to send it. If you're my son, you went to worship Mary, please don't come back to me. If you are my follow me, I pray for you, finish, you make it. You went to pray to church Ebuka Obi, please stay there, don't come back to me. I don't want to see you. I don't need you. I don't interested. We don't worship idol. Okay? Then now, to prove to you that Ebuka Obi is not a prophet, the first one was a mistake. This second one was a mistake. He's not a prophet. He was just guessing. Because if he's a prophet, you should be able to assume that things he's fishing. He called the person, love it, love it. Love it came out and give testimony. So what is there? How we should have find that many testimony. You got one guy or two that is in abroad before. That one trained somehow that anybody then talk. Many of them like that. See, let me tell you. Happen can hear one nazo. When you nazo. Happen if I want nazo. When you nazo. You know what moon is you to save other people. That's why people are saying Christianity is fake. You are scam. You're scam. You're scam. You know they shame. If you didn't know they shame you people, they shame me. A whole person where the crane say he give you a prophecy. Give time, give date, give when the person come. They tell and say, can you marry me? Now they deny. One guy arrest the girl. Are you mad? You lie. Who are people say Ebuka say not the girl. Who arrest the girl? What kind of nonsense is that? Why are you arresting the girl? One is in back you're pointing. Call us the name. Tell us the name of the person that they send them. Said that. You don't talk this every time. One person in Lagos, 2 people this year, 2 people in Enugu. Who are the 2 people? If you can't call their name, go up. Your mama there. You know you people that want to kill you, you don't want to call their name. As I am, I will say, some people want to kill me, they hack my page. Anybody that can hack your page can kill you. I'll say it. I have a proof. Then go to you say so no, they call the name of the people. So we can fight them. Before they will come and destroy us, before they come and put bomb there, people will die. We don't want that. If you know the names of the people, please call it. I will support you in that. I will join to fight them. Yes, I will carry the protest, go to their church, make sure we'll bring the church down. I never go and change. I never come anywhere. I never come one day say make I A to Z, make I come the copy, make they come the hack people page. Call brokers, they pay them, make they come the hack Zion page, and the grace that is useless. They can't help God, no matter what you do. If you die, now one still they go take bury you. No matter what you do, now one bed you go sleep. So all those money you make is nonsense. We rejected it from Satan. Rejected it from. Did I tell you I'm a pastor before? I look like a pastor. I'm not a pastor. I'm a prophet, a spiritual warlord. The war I fight, Ebuka Obi cannot fight it. 1 million of Ebuka Obi can fight it. All of them will die. Go and ask question in case you don't know. Because can't you see where Anambra is? I tell you I will shut Anambra down, all the evil down. I'm not shut them down. As I enter Anambra this year, everything will stop. Make Ebuka Obi carry the same power, go to Ngwabara, stop the problem that is there. You go in there, carry armor tanker, carry all the whole escort, carry this. Use that your power, stop the killings that happen in Imo State. Charity begins at home. If you have power, you don't have nothing. What you have is police. Every time, police. You crazy men. You have your illegal team. That's the crap. How many times they hear Adeboye, they use the mega team or Nyedipo? These are billionaires. They use call legal team every time. Legal team. What you do mistake, you don't go accept. You are a failure. You talk say you're a failure. You think say a person papa get money, me say get sense. You think say a person get crowd, me say you know God. Look at all those things. Bible say, by their fruit you shall know them. He that is a lie is of Satan. Not gonna lie, more right to cover up the to thank you. Oh, you like my song? Ah, yes, thank you very much. It's a new song that I want to use to ginger Anambra State. That's a victory of song that the prophets are giving coming to pass. So let me also pray the song now. Not be say Ebuka Obi is a thief. Ebuka Obi is not a prophet. He's an evangelist. You know. See, let me tell you. If you see, when you begin to claim the office that you're not. You will have. Okay, I'll come and claim medical doctor. Matthias will come and claim medical doctor. When they give you people that sick, can you do operation? No. If you say I'm an evangelist, if you don't do miracle, you don't concern anybody. You don't do prophecy, you don't concern anybody. You don't do healing. You're an evangelist. You meant to preach the word of God. That is your field. Now, when you leave your field, go to take another person's field. Like me now, I'm an apostle and a prophet. I can go for evangelism. That's why I go evangelism. But it's not a mandatory I will go to evangelism. But I will go because I'm an apostle. And if I go to evangelism, miracle must happen. So if you come, they claim prophet. You know what it mean, prophet? Anybody when they come meet you, they want to hear prophet. Sometimes they won't even answer prophet. Because once you answer that name prophet, it attracts people to expect prophecy from you. So area you stop that prophecy and answer evangelist. If you get message, you give person. You see, say that your church will continue and stop defending anything. If all those your legal team, pursue them. All those your criminal people, pursue them. Pursue all those people. You say why pursue J-Pack and James Agbora. Pursue them, all of them are concerned of this. Let them go after they are criminal. They should go and face their business. They don't need to be there. They don't bring gangsters in the house of God. You know what I'm also explaining to you? I'm only trying to help him. Explain time. Now you get explain time. Not even they explain time. I don't even get sense. They get explain time. Explain time for what? Are you not a fool? Ask me. See, let me tell you, my name is 1 million better than Ebuka Obi. My name is more precious than. Forget Karado. If you put them for scale now, let's say you have never heard that I do any RNG. Can you prove it? 10 million naira. But we have had many cases that you're doing RNG. Who is more real? If people are fools, people are only going there because they have crowd. If you come the genuine people now, let's say they put off for text now, they will look at my scandal. What have you done? They see my miracles. They never hear such the thing, and they see oh, they're always having issues. They will need to query you. Why are you always every time you have people are saying you're fake? Why are they saying that? Why you're calling me fake? You know, you people they blackmail me fake. Not be say people don't see me say I be fake. You know, now they blackmail me fake and they can prove it. But this one can prove the fake here. See the videos. See Mr. Padrock. See this woman. There's other many people too. It's not, he can't help God. So Ebuka Obi should stop helping God. He can't help God. If they hear Jerry Eze, they come, do normal prayer. If they make him money, they do your normal prayer. Do your normal prayer. Forget calling names. Do your normal prayer, do your prayer, do your open heaven, do prophecy, no call them. So if the team, anybody will key into that, it's okay for the person will come. Then if you get power like the Yahweh, then call them on the phone, then enter the phone, pray for them, solve the problem, like I do. That is why you know what you're doing. If you believe in your God that is so powerful, call people that are sick, love it, come on phone, I put you, record them, put them there. That's all they do my own. Let me pray this, my son. God bless you.